Hi, this is Steve Whitteking, eviction attorney, and today we're going to go over how to fill out a 3-day notice to pay rent or quit. The form we're going to go over in this little demonstration is a form you can get at bestsanDiegoeviction.com. That's my eviction website. Let me show you a few things about the form before we get started. One, all these fields are fillable, so you just click on it, and then you can type in what you need to type in. You can also see if you highlight the cursor, it tells you what needs to go in that field. Now, again, we're going to go over this particular form, but no matter what form you're using, the information I'm going to give you here pretty much is going to apply. So let's get started. So let's put in the names of the adult tenants. That's John Doe and Jane Doe. And then we also want to put all others in possession. Sometimes our tenants let people move in and we don't know about it, and we just want to make sure that the notice is for everybody. It's just a quick and easy thing to do. We just put it in right there. Okay, now we need to put the address of the premises. Here we're going to use 742 Evergreen Terrace, San Diego, California, 92101. Pretty sure that address does not exist in California and is a made-up address. Does not exist. San Diego is a made-up address, and I truly hope that's the case because this is just for demonstration purposes, not supposed to be a real person's address. Okay, now in this example, we're going to say the tenants are behind 2 months' rent at $2,000 a month, so the total they're behind is $4,000. We need to put in the periods that is for: April 1st, 2011, April 30th, 2011, for $2,000 for that month. Then they also didn't pay May, so we need to put May in, May 31st, 2011, $2,000. So you can see we have the month of April, April 1st, 2011 to April 30th, 2011 for the amount of $2,000, and then the same thing with May. The next thing is who should the person pay rent to. Here we're going to say that is Larry Landlord, and then the address where Mr. Larry Landlord can be paid. Here we'll just say that's 456 Anywhere Lane, San Diego, California, 92101. Now the next section is for if the landlord is going to be available to to accept rent personally. And if he is, what hours and what days of the week he is available. By default, we have on this form 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday. But if that's not true for you, and let's say you're only available 11 a.m. but you're available 6 p.m., and that is Tuesday through Saturday. You see it's a drop down. You choose it. Now, if you're not going to be available for a personal payment of the rent, you need to blank these out, of course. And if that's the case, they can use the mail. And it covers that right there. So that's kind of the main parts of the notice. But there's some more at the bottom, and this is also important. We need to date it, 5/24, 2011, put in a number. And you must put in the phone number. It's very important. It's a requirement. You need to put in the landlord's name. Landlord. And I want to show you one more thing before we finish this up. Up here, you can only put rent. Don't put late fees, bounce check fees, or anything else. Only rent on a 3-day notice to pay rent or quit. Then you'd print this out and sign it. And then you're ready to serve it on your tenant. Now, if you don't know how to serve your tenant, that information is available at bestsanDiegoeviction.com. Go there and you can get our free report, 3 most common mistakes landlords make that kill their eviction cases before they even start. And again, if you need this form is also available at bestsanDiegoeviction.com. My name is Steve Whitteking. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was informative.